This video shows how to set up fax for Xerox VersaLink C625 Color Multifunction Printer. Setting up fax is part of the initial setup and installation of your printer. To set up fax, go to App Configuration screen on the Installation wizard. Then, touch Fax. The fax country pop-up appears. Select your fax country, then touch Next. On the Fax Line 1 Settings pop-up, enter the fax line number and name. Choose the Send and Receive options for this line. Then, touch Next. When the setup is successful, the Fax Setup Complete notification displays. You can also set up fax later on an active device. To set up fax in an up-and-running device, log into the printer as an admin. Go to Device, then touch Tools. In the Tools window, touch Fax App, then Fax Setup. Make the appropriate fax app configuration, then touch Next. When the setup is successful, the Fax Setup Complete notification displays.